Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload photo to Google Photos application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to open your Google Photo application. This is my Google Photos, and then as you can see that there is no feature or option to upload our photos to the Google Photos application. If you want to upload your photo, you can backup it. You just need to click on this profile icon, and then you have to activate the backup. Just click on turn on backup, and now you can click on turn on backup again, and then your photos from your device will be automatically backed up to the Google Photos. You can go to the photo setting, and then you can click on this backup option and choose the folder from your device that you want to back up to your Google Photo. You can choose it right here guys. For example, I'm going to upload my photo from the Telegram application. We just need to activate the Telegram, and then the photo will be automatically uploaded to the Google Photos. But if you want to upload certain photos or specific photos, you can go to the Google. Just go to Google, and then you can type in photos google.com like this, and then you will go to the Google Photos website, and then you just need to click on this icon guys, this upload icon. Just click on it, and then you can choose phone, and you can choose media picker right here, and then you can choose specific photos from your device to be uploaded to the Google Photos. Alright guys, and that's all the way to upload photo to Google Photos. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.